Welcome to Dysfunctions that make you go, Which dysfunction are you looking for when you assess the leg alignment in your clients? We at Syzygy found that changes in the femur mechanics during the loading phase of the step can cause a lot of problems in the lower extremity. We invite you to explore with us 5 common dysfunctions that we see in the lower extremity. We're going to look at the leg alignment test with our client Sarah. So if we take a look at Sarah's right leg, we see that once she lifts up the back leg, her knee shakes in and out. When she does it then, you can also look at the toes, how she's compensating by lifting up her toes while she's doing the leg alignment test. In this video, we would like to focus our attention on the problems of fallen arches or flat feet, pronated feet, which is a common dysfunction, especially in young children and juveniles. They're also one of the mentioned 5 common dysfunctions that can result from changed femur mechanics. To understand our train of thought, we would like to go through the anatomy, the relevant ones, and then go a little bit into the biomechanics of the foot and the knee involved in the flat feet, the pronated feet, the fallen arches, and then maybe you will see why we think that there is a link to the leg alignment. First muscle we're going to take a look at is the glute max, the big muscle everybody knows. It comes from the ilium, the sacrum, and the coccyx and goes to the femur and also to the IT band. So it comes from here. The second muscle is the piriformis, which comes from the front side of the sacrum and also inserts here into the femur. The third and the fourth are the gemelli muscles, which are here, which come also from here to the femur, from the ilium bone, and the 2 obturator muscles, one from the inside, one from the outside, which both go to the femur. And the last one I like to mention on this side of the body is the quadratus femoris, which is the lowest one and also goes from the ilium to the femur. As you might have recognized, all of those muscles have the same course. They go from inside to outside. So that means for the hip on the back side, they have an external rotation effect on the femur. Okay. For the foot, it's important to understand that once I put pressure more on the medial side, my foot is going to follow into a pronation or a flat foot, because I have here the arch and the arch follows the pressure. So it pushes my arch down. If I go the opposite, it would build up my arch. So for this, we're going to focus on the medial pressure, too much medial pressure, which means that you're going to have a fallen arch or pronated foot or simply a flat foot. So as you've seen in the test with Sarah, once she lifted up her back leg and you looked at the foot, you see that the foot was shaking. It was also going in and out. So every time she lifted up her back leg and her femur was internally rotating, it was putting more pressure on the medial part, which results on the foot on medial pressure, which puts a constant pressure on the medial side of the foot. And the arch can't have a normal function like going down and up again. So it's a constant pressure, and if we have a constant pressure on something like a spring, it's going to get worse. It's going to get lower, and this results in a flat foot, fallen arches, which can also cause all types of problems. We hope that this video was helpful. We would like you to test it on your clients. If you can see a common dysfunction that we find too between the caving in of the femur and the flat foot or the arches problem. And if you would like more information, please visit us on our website. Thank you.